So here's how to hide apps on Android Samsung. We will start off with the Settings app on the phone. Once you're in the Settings app, you need to scroll down and go to Home Screen. Here, you can edit the layout, app icon badges, and many more from these options. Now, scroll down and tap on Hide Apps. From here, select the apps you want to hide. After that, tap on Done at the bottom. As you can see, you will no longer find these apps in the menu. This way, you can hide any apps that you want, and this gives you a lot more privacy and control over what apps are displayed on your home screen and what apps are hidden. You can also use external applications like Vault in order to hide your apps. And that's it. Following these steps, you can easily hide apps on Android phone.